Thanks, everybody.
Yeah. Did you fall like this?
I wasn't done. Or did you take one?
Oh, I got a video. I mean, I shot a picture already. And I'm shooting some video now, too.
How much fish is left here?
There's
Pretty lots. We got fish for people to take home if they'd like to take home fish. There's raw fish here. We didn't cook it all. So come on, get yourself some fish to take home.
I caught 4 fish. They're wetty. I don't want this to get traumatized. Wait, is it picnic?
Hello everybody. So we got the results for the winners. First of all, I'd like to thank Jordan's principal, CFS, and also Pegwa School Board for coming out and letting us use their equipment. And thank all you children for showing up and all the parents for bringing everybody out, along with Public Works. Dean and Ken for helping out, and Cliffy and the staff at the multiplex. Thank you all for making this a wonderful day for the kids. So first of all, we'll start off with third place for Jack for the adults. We had how many entries for the adults? Doesn't say on here.
Bob.
We had 31 entries for the adults, so we made 2 categories, Pickerel and Jack, and 3 places. So we'll start off with Pickerel. So third place with a 52.1 centimeter pickerel is Jesse Fenran, or Jesse Cochran, sorry. And second place for a 53.4 centimeter pickerel goes to Doug Thomas.
Wait, which?
And for first place with a 56.5 centimeter pickerel is Percy Stevenson. Now we'll move on to the Jack category. And with a 67.4 centimeter jackfish, third place goes to Leslie Fenran. Or Fenner, or Cochran. Sorry.
They're still hauling stuff.
Okay, and for second place, a 68.2 centimeter jackfish goes to Candace Thomas. For first place, with a 75 centimeter jackfish, goes to Ian Sutherland.
What did you get? Yes.
Here, let's take a picture of you. Where's Percy at?
He's over there.
Percy, can I take a picture of you? Here, Jess. Here. Ian.
Granny wants a picture. I'll skip it from off. Come on, you guys.
Okay, now we're going to do the kids categories. Well, first thing we'll start off with first fish caught. The first fish caught goes to Lucas Sinclair. Lucas? Oh, here, Lucas, let me take a picture of you. Hold up your finger. Okay, now we'll move on to smallest fish. Smallest fish was caught by Jaylene Forster. She caught a 30.5 centimeter fish. Wins the smallest fish. Okay, we'll start off with third place for pickerel category with a 49.5 centimeter pickerel. Riley Stranger. Riley, will you take a picture of it? Okay, for second place with a 51.5 centimeter pickerel is Jason Fenneran. Yeah! Hey, Jason, take a picture. Take a picture. Okay. And for first place winner with a 54 centimeter pickerel is Katie Watt. Now we'll move on to the jack category. And with a 71 centimeter jackfish is Chase Stevenson.
Oh God, and we want to smile. My 10 smile.
And for second place in the jack category with a 74.5 centimeter jackfish is Amoni Prince. Amani. And for the biggest fish of the day with 80 centimeters is, what does that say? Anaya Man.
Where is she?
Okay, now we're going to do the draws for the... We'll do the draws for the prizes here. So the first draw we'll do is for a remote control skidoo. Hey little kid, you want to pick one? Pick one. Okay, the ticket for the number is 638698. That's Kaylin or Casey Stranger. Hey, Kaysen Stranger.
I have his ticket here somewhere.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's the one that got mixed up. Snowmobile.
The snowmobile. The metal one.
Watch out for holes.
This one? Yeah.
Hey, hold up your picture. Take a picture. Okay, for our next draw will be for the BMX bike. Okay, for the BMX draw winner is Memphis Parisian with ticket number 638676. Okay, we'll begin to do our grand prize draw here. Just in a second. I got my camera. Okay, David. Go for the PS5. Okay, now we'll be doing our draw for our PS5 with the controller.
Oh, buddy, PS5.
Go touch him for a while. Off it on when don't be hot.
The ticket number is 638664. That's Debbie Sutherland.
Who got it?
Debbie Sutherland. There she is. Congratulations. Thank everybody. We'll try have another tournament before the end of the winter.
Ah.